Time to make this Husky bulletproof. Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Today we're going to install some bulletproof designs, radiator guards, on this Husqvarna TE300i. Beautiful fuel injected 300 two-stroke motorcycle I'm working on here for a friend of mine. So these are bulletproof designs Gen 2 radiator guards, as you can see, in black. Okay, so let's just get started here. First thing you need to do is remove the seat on these Husqvarnas. That involves taking off this air filter cover, which just pops off, and then there is a bolt under here with an 8mm head. Take that out and the seat will slide right off. I'll bring you right back. There you have it. And that mount bolt is right there for the seat. Slides right off. Next we need to take off the tank, and that involves, there is a mount bolt right in here I've already removed. Looks just like that, little rubber bumper on it. And there are two shroud bolts on each side, 1 and 2 on each side. You have the fuel line right here, which is a quick disconnect. There's a button underneath here, you can kind of feel it. Sorry that you can't really see it too well. You just push that button in and there you go. There's the button right there. See that? Push that in and that slides off of there. And there is a fuel pump connection somewhere in here. We'll probably have to lift this tank off. Let me put it in the sand. Hopefully we can see what's going on here. And to get the tank off, you kind of gotta spread it. pull the shrouds off a little bit in the front, and then lift it up. There we go. And then we're just going to follow this fuel pump wiring wherever it goes. There should be a disconnect somewhere on it. Let's see if we can find it. Or it might have to come off right up in here. Got my head in the way. It might have to come off right up there. I don't know. Yep, it looks like it comes off right there. So what I might do is remove these two bolts and take this shroud off. We'll come back and take a look at it. Okay, this particular bike has this zip tie arrangement with a piece of safety wire up here. And it looks like someone has previously taken this tank off. I'm not sure if this is an aftermarket tank or not, but after loosening this safety wire, there's no clip holding this on here. So it looks like this tab may have been broken off previously, so this is actually a pretty ingenious way of holding this on here. But I imagine it's supposed to have a little plastic tab that clips over that because it just pulls right out of here now. So when I reassemble that, I'm going to have to put a new piece of safety wire on there to hold that up in there. But it's a good solution. Okay, let's get this off and we'll get cracking on these radiator guards. Looking back, likely could have just removed the shrouds from the tank and probably didn't have to remove the tank, but then again, it's not a bad idea to do that because look at that, we found an issue from a previous owner. Okay, once you've removed the original plastic shroud, the replacement bulletproof one fits in here exactly the same. The biggest thing to watch is right here. There's a little groove in this one and this little bent piece of aluminum on the radiator. Just gotta line that up in there. And then with the kit that you buy here, it comes with some new hardware. The ones that came out of there won't fit. The washers are too big. So just get a new bolt and a new washer. And once you're lined up, those should just go in there nicely. There you can see the groove right here. So just make sure you have that position. There's one on the top and one on the bottom. After you've installed both radiator guards, you go ahead and install your tank or your shrouds. Like I said, pretty sure you could probably just get away with just removing the shrouds. It looks like that should have plenty of room. I guess I just got a little bit overzealous because many bikes I've worked on, you don't have very good access to the radiators. And it looks like it lines up really well right here. I was kind of concerned about that as well. Sometimes these aftermarket guards don't line up very good anymore, but these look like they line up just fine. So reinstall everything and job complete. And the nice thing about these shrouds, I just looked on here, it looks like it fits pretty much all KTM models from the 125s all the way up to the 500s. So 2 strokes, 4 strokes, SXF, XCF models. So all KTMs, all Husqvarnas basically. Cool. That's awesome. I love it when things are a little bit more universal. Pretty simple job. Only needs a couple tools and a little bit of time. All right, if you're liking the content that I am producing, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.